Hi, this is Tony with Alternative Living Spaces. One of my favorite builds that we completed was a 30-foot shipping container tiny home for a client out of Denver, Colorado. This build was done in partnership with Container Guys International. Check it out. What makes this build so unique is the modern feel that it has. With a dark exterior paint color, natural wood accents, and large front entrance, this build feels much bigger than it actually is. One of the custom features of this home is the windows. In the living room, there's a large 10-foot window which allows natural light to enter and helps to bring the outdoors in. In the bedroom, there's two floor-to-ceiling modern windows that add value to the already sleek design. And with this one-of-a-kind design, it lends itself to being a hot commodity on Airbnb. The owners of this tiny home placed it directly in their backyard and are providing the people of Denver or people visiting Denver the opportunity to experience container living. And while container living was a new concept for owners Randall and Sarsha, design wasn't. Both of them have extensive design experience, Randall in designing retail spaces and Sarsha in designing interiors. We had the opportunity to connect with them and design this unit from start to finish. They provided the floor plans and the finishes, and looking at a finished product, I can say this is not only contemporary, but it's also bold and it's inviting. For the interior, Sarsha picked out all of the furniture. Everything from the wardrobe closet, to the bed, to the sofa, to all the knickknacks and everything you see in the kitchen. It really all came together to provide a space that feels like home for people that are vacationing. The final and my favorite part of this home is the bathroom. This has a large bathroom for being a tiny home. With custom shower, unique vanity, and contemporary toilet, this is a really nice space. The client selected the custom tile floor as well as the tile that's on the shower walls, and has also picked out a matte black finish for the vanity fixtures and for the shower head. In all, this was a great build to be part of. We love the opportunity of connecting with Randall and Sarsha. They were great people to work with and did an excellent job in designing this unit. If you'd like to stay in this unit, you can check it out on Airbnb under A Tiny Slice of Heaven, and we'll see you in our next video.